Hello you guys, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I'm T. Today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I trellis my peas. Right now they are starting to grow very wildly, so it's time for me to tame them to get them up to this trellis. So the little tendrils are starting to connect to each other, so now it's time for me to make sure that they're going the way I need them to go. And as the other plants get bigger, I'll make sure that the peas are going up to the sunlight, so that this will balance out how I have went ahead and planted different things that grow at different sizes and different heights. So what we're going to do today is go ahead and get our yarn, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that we get to the base of the plant first, and then we're going to twine it throughout the plant. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So if you guys have trellises that are a little bit off the ground and your plants are still very small, but you want to control them and making sure that they stay nice and neat, and if your plants are on the ground, they are subject to a lot more pests and bacteria, so you want to make sure that you can do that, is to make sure that they stay off the ground. We don't want any diseased plants. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, you guys. It is raining right now, so I'm gonna try to get this done for you guys. So let's get into it. So right here is the yarn, I already cut a piece. So I'm gonna demonstrate one for you guys right now, because like I said, it is starting to rain. So I'm gonna try to knock out as many as I can, but I'm gonna show you right now how to do this right here. Okay, so here is a pea. They are connecting. The little tendrils are trying to connect to each other. So what I'm going to do is take the yarn, tie a loose knot at the base of the plant. Okay, a loose, very loose knot. And what I'm going to do is just wrap it around the plant, just like that, and I'm going to trellis it right on up, just like this. So this way you're controlling where your plants are going. So I'm going to show you guys one more time on how I did that. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I make a loose knot, and I'm going to loop it. We're going to have it a loose knot like this, believe it or not, just like this. And we want this much of a gap. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if I can get you guys a little closer. We actually are not going to tie it onto the plant. We just want to make a loose loop, and we're going to wrap it, loosely wrap it around the pea plant. And we're going to go ahead and loosely tie it to the trellis. Okay, just like that. Do you guys see it? And I'll be doing this with all of these guys. Okay, we're at the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. It was short and sweet, you guys, because it is raining outside. So I hope you guys give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I upload a video. And remember, you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now.